Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ASMB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer a quick explanation video right there. So just go to that link and I'll explain in detail. I did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning and get rid of these lines here. Sure, these levels still pertain. Actually, what I'm going to do is just get rid of all these lines because I want to take a little bit different of an approach. And the reason for the difference of approach is, I will admit, from a presentation standpoint where I sit, this is a very tricky chart to talk about because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought there, you bought right there, who knows, maybe even bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking really bad. Now, if you care about a bigger picture point of view, sure, from the highs, there was a bigger pullback, but from the grand scheme of it all, the price does still have plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base, and that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. You're going to have higher lows being built over extended periods of time, and that is the perspective that I'm going to be talking about things from. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trading type mentality going into it. And I'm not saying the price is headed down to this area, but just for example's sake, let's say the price goes all the way down to $13.75, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, emphasis here on big picture. From the big picture perspective, what would you still have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows right there. You'd have lows right there. You'd have lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, you still have, from the big picture, stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. Once again, I'm well aware that if you were some sort of day trader and you bought up there, then yeah, you definitely don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be commenting from the bigger picture point of view. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today. As in one day, looking at multiple days as we're doing here, you can see the price does still have the opportunity to build that higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not on Friday. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.